Hello everyone, welcome to Erratic Coder. So today in this video we are going to install Jupyter Notebook. Before I start, I'll tell you what is the Jupyter Notebook. So it is an open source web application that allows users to create and share the document containing the live code, equations, visualizations, and the narrative text. So it's a powerful tool which is basically used for data cleaning and transformation, numeric simulations, and statistical modeling, data visualization, machine learning, and much more. So there are multiple ways to install Jupyter Notebook, and what all are these? First, we can install it by using the Python pip package, Python package index. So with this command, we can install the notebook. The second way is by using the Anaconda. So whenever you are installing the Anaconda, Jupyter will be already installed there. You can check our previous videos where we have installed Anaconda. The third way is by using the package managers. So by using the package managers, you can install Jupyter Notebook on Linux, or this is the command you can use to install the notebooks, and it is sudo apt-get install Jupyter Notebook. This command you can use, or you can use this one too. So these are the three ways to install Jupyter Notebook. Currently I have Windows, so I won't be able to show this one, but we can definitely go through these two options. To proceed with the first step, first open the terminal and check the Python version. Since it is required if you are going to use pip to install notebook, then you can give the command pip install notebook. And here the installation will begin. Okay, now it's installed. Let's check the version. Give Python. Here we can import notebook and just print the notebook version. So here we can see the version is 7.0.7. Now how can we open this notebook? So from the terminal itself, we can give the command Jupyter Notebook. And here it will open the notebook on localhost 8888 port. So you can jump on the path where you want to create your notebook. Go to here, new, and you can create the notebook here. Here you can select the kernel as per your requirement. I have taken Python 3 and you can start using the notebook. So this is how you can install the Jupyter Notebook from Python package index, but there is an alternate way using Anaconda. How you can open this from Anaconda? Open Anaconda Navigator. Go to the installed application, or you can get the notebook in all application list as well. And if you will scroll down, you will get Jupyter Lab as well as Jupyter Notebook. Here you can launch it. And the same Jupyter window will open on your browser. So this Jupyter Notebook provides an interactive computing environment where you can write and execute the code in cell. It provides a Markdown supports, a rich output format it provides. It is able to integrate with data science libraries, and sharing and collaboration is also possible. So in this way, you can install Jupyter Notebook by using the pip package as well as from Anaconda. Now you must be thinking, apart from this Jupyter Notebook, what is Jupyter Lab? So it basically enhances your notebooks by providing a browser-based interface that allows you to use the multiple notebooks together efficiently. I'll create a separate video on this Jupyter Lab. I hope now you are able to install Jupyter Notebook. In the next video, we'll see how to work on the notebooks. So stay tuned. Thank you.